are at Denali State Park. It is the morning. We put our luggage to this morning out at 7, walked across the street to the Black Bear to get some coffee. Well, Lance got coffee, I got hot water. And then we're waiting here outside the front of the lodge for our tour of Denali. We'll go about 4 hours in on school buses, which is fun. And we got to hike Denali yesterday, so it'll be fun to see the interior of it. And yeah, it's been a good morning. It's a little overcast with some threat of rain, but it doesn't look like it's in the forecast. So cross your fingers, we'll get rained on today. And see you soon.
Demonstrations at 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. If anyone, so when we get to the 10 o'clock one, but if anyone's interested for the 2 o'clock or 4. Oh yeah, definitely pulling along. Yeah. End up very soon, like about 2 weeks. That does give that appearance.
Gusty day, I almost lost my back in the river this morning, but I fortunately did it.
Oh, so they just. Demonstrations at 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 4 o'clock.
Buildings right in front of us, which we're going to drive right around our building. So straight down this sidewalk's all the stuff I talked about. When you get down to the end of the sidewalk, you'll see 17 building right across. And like I told you, other ones, number 20 is what to do, okay?
No, they didn't. They ran off before I.
bed instead of two. Nice little sitting area over here. It's almost a suite. Here's Hill Trail. We're gonna go see the tree house that was built on Treehouse Masters. Check in here, Eric and Lance here at McKinley Lodge. That's a little maintenance guy. We are on our way to the treehouse on site. It is a little bit overcast, which is slightly disappointing, but it's not pouring rain, and we got 2 beautiful days, really almost 3, of beautiful weather. So tomorrow we will have a little bit of time in the morning, and then we'll head out on the rail to get on the cruise ship, which will be exciting. And we'll check out what this lodge has to offer, but we don't really have a lot of time here, so. And I think they upgraded us to a suite. What do you think, babes? It's pretty big, huh?
It's nice. Got a lot of seating room.
Lots of seating room. Up to the treehouse now. It is a pretty upwards hike, but the pathway is pretty level. Let's turn you around. Lettuce. Huge lettuce from all the sunlight. There you go. Another hiking trail here. Treehouse was beautiful. This is called the Lodge Trail, right behind the lodge, aptly named. And it's a little bit muddy. The other trail was closed, the one that comes down from the treehouse. But let me show you. It's covered in these rocks, which makes it nice because I'm sure it makes it less muddy. You're blending into the trees. Can't see the size of this river, but it's humongous, so wide. All right, so Lodge Trail winner. It goes right by the river, and it's a big river. I showed it on video, but you can't really even see the full expanse of it. But it's been a nice hike. It's not like a nature trail like a lot of the hikes we took earlier were, and it's just really nice. There's lots of really beautiful vegetation, and it's fun. I love hiking. Trail hiking. I'm kind of sad that Hill Trail is closed, but I think I knew that in advance. They got a lot of snow and rain just a couple days ago. Salmon chowder. Cauliflower. Strategy to it. Follows. It's beautifully roasted.
Boom. Roasted.
First bite. Look at that. You're a pro. All right, folks, we're sitting here in the McKinley Lodge great room right in front of where Denali will hopefully show her face tomorrow. We finished dinner at base camp, had some salmon chowder, a roasted cauliflower, and the reindeer sausage, all really good. All said probably around 50 or 60 bucks for the both of us, but we split all three of those things. And then we went and did our Arrive Can app, and then we also tried to do our Princess app update with our test, because our test results came in, yay, negative, and we couldn't do that, so no problem. I had brought some s'more stuff because I knew there were fire pits here, and so Lance and I ventured out into the drizzly rain and made us some s'mores, and they were great. I had Reese's cups with it, so that was fantastic. We got to share the rest of our marshmallows with a sweet little couple with 2 little girls, and that was great too, because it reminded me of the kids and made me think of them. But you know, they don't make marshmallows in small bags, so I got a small graham cracker thing and one Reese's per person, and all of that was fun. But just a whole big bag of marshmallows, and I'm thinking, I'm going on the cruise tomorrow. I didn't know to bring these marshmallows on. So now we're just kind of hanging out in the lodge here. You know, at both the Denali Lodge and the Fairbanks Lodge, you had Wi-Fi in your room, so the Wi-Fi reached all the way up into the rooms. But this facility here is just huge, and we're pretty deep into the interior of the housing units, and you're not able to get any Wi-Fi in your room, which is not a big deal. It's not a big deal changer, but when you are trying to upload apps and make sure things are in order before you get on the cruise, it is a big deal. So we're kind of just sitting in here, finishing up the rest of the night. Had a great strawberry lemonade at base camp as well. And yeah, it's just been a really good land portion. We're eager tomorrow, to get on the boat, but the land portion has just been really a great addition to this cruise itself, and we can't say enough about the hospitality of the Princess staff, and all of the locals here and the tour guides have been fantastic. And really, we've had some great weather almost all the way up until today, where it started raining right when we got to McKinley, but it's really been a great addition to our cruise. So excited to start tomorrow. It's kind of surreal that we're starting a cruise tomorrow. It feels like we've been on vacation for a week, but can't wait to update you. We'll probably head to Talkeetna tomorrow morning, and then we'll ride the rail from there, a 5-hour journey to Whittier, where we'll get on the boat a little bit later than we're used to. It's a later embarkation for us, but means our new rooms will be ready, our bags will be there, and we can go straight to dinner. See you then.